India is today a leading destination for real estate investment. Its burgeoning population and constant demand for residential as well as commercial infrastructure is giving builders innumerable opportunities to grow. Today, buildings of every conceivable shape and size are dotting the metropolitan skylines. But amongst these countless buildings stand a few that are out of the ordinary. Pankaj Gupta studied architecture in USA, and today his company Arcage Infrastructure is building its success story brick by brick. Over the last 12 years, the company has become a front-runner in construction and real estate development. Following its motto, turning dreams into realty in letter and in spirit, the Arcage Group is constantly building world-class residential and commercial projects.
I started with houses, and they used to be smaller houses. Now they are bigger houses, more in number but bigger houses. So I would typically cover about 14,000 square feet of area in a house. So they're like mansions. They're not just houses. You would get lost.
With a turnover of over 100 crore rupees today, Arcage has built almost 150 projects that include residences, turnkey projects, resorts, hotels, farmhouses and even an information technology park.
We make at least 7 to 8 houses in a year. 7 to 8 houses we make in a year. So at a time now also about 5 houses are in progress, and it is all one single group. We start from the land, construction activity, complete finishing, turnkey job we do it. We prefer to do turnkey job only, and once the job is completed, we provide landscaping, everything we do it. Customer comes only to us seeing our quality, workmanship, and the time period which we make the houses. That is the only plus point. This is the plus point we are having.
The group has 1.3 million square feet of area under development. These include land reserves in Delhi, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Arcage does not call itself a builder, but prefers to be known as a designer, one who designs dreams and turns them into reality.
Eventually, I think Arcage can become a very big design house. We would be designing products. There's nobody else in the world right now who is doing everything. We could be doing garments, and we could be doing shoes and cell phones and cars and aeroplanes and buildings and anything. I mean, you name it and we would like to design it.
There are quite a few big builders in the market like DLF, Unitech, ATS and Supertech, but they are all into group housing. So the niche that we are providing is that we are customizing and designing houses for an individual client and trying to get all their needs into one single home which they are going to cherish for the rest of their lives.
The Arcage Group takes great care to construct buildings that are environment friendly in terms of design as well as materials. It follows international practices on the construction site aimed at conserving energy and saving the environment. This has attracted attention from prominent public figures who keep coming back to Arcage for designer homes, farmhouses and even commercial complexes.
Our clients list is quite big, but to sum it up, I'll say like Mr. Amar Singh, Mr. Salim Sherwani, then Mr. Ashok Mattu, who's the Commonwealth's treasurer, and Raw Chiefs, that is Mr. Chaturvedi, Power Grid, Mr. Chaturvedi again, and now the latest project what we are into is we are doing for Sonal, who is a lawyer by profession.
We were looking for houses in Noida, and we saw a house for sale that had been built by Pankaj. We liked the house. The location didn't suit us, but we liked the style of architecture. I think they have a very clear understanding of what their client wants. They pay attention to your specific requirements. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of architecture design that they've got. And they do create exactly what it is that you're looking for. I mean, we've already, they are doing our third place for us. So yes, I have gone back to them again and again for all my construction work.
Things were very difficult, you know. I was an architect straight from the US and did not know Indian systems very well. People did not trust me with their projects. I designed a lot of projects and did not get paid for it, even the promised fee, because, you know, after it was designed, I was told, we can't pay you for these lines, you know. We could have done it ourselves, and that was very hurting. And I mean, besides loss of money, I also lost faith in myself and my education. But I did not break down. I said I have to fight back.
The Arcage Group aims to transform the way people live and work. Its innovation and unique ideas have been revolutionizing the real estate space in India for the last decade. The group has unshakable commitment to quality, integrity, and value for money for its customers. And armed with these philosophies, it is now looking to apply its innovative concepts to other sectors as well.
See, we are into construction, we are into architecture, we are into infrastructure, we are now into healthcare, we are into entertainment, we are going to be in spas, we are in hotels, we are in guest houses. I am very soon getting into power sector in Uttaranchal.
The Arcage Group's activities are as diverse as its chairman's multifaceted personality. Pankaj Gupta's latest interest is in commercial Hindi cinema, and he has made his screen debut in his home production called Trump Card. Released in March this year, the film is a suspense thriller starring Vikram Kumar, Urvashi Chaudhary, Ehsan Khan and Haider Ali among others in the lead roles.
Last year we made a movie by the name of Trump Card, and we released it and we got quite a good response, and you know it was very different for us to get into movies, but the response was fantastic and we were very happy with it.
We have 2 ongoing projects with bigger people attached to it now that we understand trade a little better. And let's see, in next 1.5 year, let's say about 18-19 months actually, we should be ready with 2 more projects.
In just 12 years, the Arcage Group has established itself in the construction business and earned an enviable position among the industry's big names. With aims of being listed on the Nasdaq, making successful commercial films, and exploring the education and medical tourism sectors, the interests of the Arcage Group are varied, but the vision is one: to aim high, innovate, and to help build 21st century India.